Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft OneNote for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 7, insert a table. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to applications, go to all applications, scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now go to OneNote, click on this. And now let's click on Computer Science Videos Notes. Let's go within section, pages, videos. Let's remove some of the text that we did insert in the previous tutorial. Enter, insert, table. We can choose to have a table, let's say 7 by 3, and this will then insert. If I were to press enter within the table, nothing would happen. However, if I insert, let's say, information into the table, that should be added. So that's fruit, price. Let's say an apple will cost me 50p. Grapes may cost me £1. Let's put the pound sign on top, and so that's how you insert a table within OneNote. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.